Welcome to today's tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about CapCut. So to get CapCut, you go to your Play Store and search CapCut and you download it. So why I love CapCut is that it's 100% free to use, with amazing features all inside CapCut. So today we're going to be discussing CapCut. When you click on it after opening it, you're going to come to your home page. This is your home page in CapCut. So let's go straight into it. Let's use this guy I do not know, and I do not know why he is here. So to select any project, you see this little icon here. We're gonna click on it. So once I click on it, it shows one. I can either go back and click on multiple items. Sorry. I can either click on multiple items to select more than one, or I can just click on one and import it. Importing is selecting what you want and taking it into your photo dashboard, your video editor dashboard. Let's unselect this, then let's go to add. So now we have imported, this is supposed to be the tech, I don't know his name, I don't know how I downloaded his video. He must have been saying something interesting as of the time I downloaded it. So okay, so let's go to what it's on your, I think there's a word, a special word. I will come and I'll get that word and I'll let you know what this is called. But for now, let us call this your editing room. So now, if this is your editing room, we're going to go from head to toe. Here is to cancel and go back. Here is for inquiry. You can learn CapCut inside CapCut. If your app is hanging, you can make complaints through here. This fire sign is for trending. You can have trending softwares inside CapCut, like new fonts, new transition, what people are currently using, that's that fire sign. Then for here, in the 1080p, it's for picture quality. Now, after I finish editing with CapCut, this is one of my best features. After I am done editing with CapCut, I can increase the picture quality from 1080. My phone shoots on 4K 8K. I use a Google Pixel phone, so it shoots on 4K 8K. But if I was shooting with my iPhone that shoots on 1080 4K, I can come here and increase it here. Sometimes I shoot on a lower quality to maximize my space, so I will not crash my phone space. Then when I come to CapCut, I can now increase the space. So we're going to go back. We're going to take this back to 1080 and go back. It's easier to edit in 1080. So let's go back. So now we are in our, what did I call this again, dear students? My editor room. So we're going to go one after the other. In your editor room, you can click here when you're done editing to see the full image of what you have edited. So we can also click here to make it smaller. The next thing here is you can play what you are editing so as to watch what you are editing in between time frame. Let's pause that. Now, when you make a mistake, you can easily go back with this button. I've not made any new edits, so these buttons you can't click them. This is to go backward, remove what you have edited, and this is to go forward, maybe add what you have edited. Now, this now is our, let's scroll here. This is our timeline. The first timeline is usually where the old video is. You have two timelines on default. You can have as many timelines, and I'll tell you why shortly. So the first timeline when you import is where your video goes to. The second timeline is audio. Let's say we wanted to edit an image on top of this video. You see where I'm gonna do it in this video to show you what I mean. So you see where I'm talking and I point something here, and you see something that was not in my video automatically come here. Basically what I did was I added another timeline in my editor room and put that in there. We're gonna get there soon. And this is for audio. Now on our keypad, we call this last layer the keypads. I'm going to tell you what everything is for. First is to edit. Now in the editing you have split. What is split? Look at him now. I want to cut this video. I want to remove just the middle or the beginning or the end. What do? I will split the video. So let's split the video. So now I split the video. Let's say I want to make this beginning a little bit faster or slower. You have the second thing on your keypad, which is speed. So now you have normal speed and you have curve. What is curve? You have where few seconds can be slow and fast, already designed and automated. Let's go to curve. So this one that is high now, this design, you can either design your curve yourself. So this can go very fast and drop slow. This can go fast, go slow, go fast. Then this can go normal, go very slow and go fast. So they have different motions, but let's leave this. You can experiment with this and play around here. Normal, let's click on normal. So normal, it naturally comes in 1 times. So I can increase this to 2 and press OK. And now when I play it, it's going to be faster. It's going to, everything he's doing is going to be faster. So the next thing we have here is audio. Now we go to, now I want to remove the speed so that I can teach you something else. I'm going to go backward and you're going to see speed has gone back to 1 times. The next thing I'm going to do here is let's go back from the edit. Okay, let's click edit. Let's go to animation. What is animation? Let's click on animations. Now animation is to play around with your clips. So let's click on rotate opening. So this, did you see that beginning? Let's click on fade in. It's going to give a black dust. Let's click on shake. You see that shake? So that is what animation is. Let's click on spin right. So that is what animation is. So let's go back. Let's click and go back. We're going to remove the animation. Once again, you remove things you do not want by clicking here. The next thing, we'll go back to edit. We'll go to extract. Now with extract, I can remove an audio from an old video and put into what I am editing. So I can take his own video. I want maybe in this video, for example, in this, the audio, I want this audio here now in the video I am editing. So I can select this. When I select this, I click on add, and this is the extracted audio. This is the extracted audio. So it is the audio I import. Now I have extracted from another video that is going to play. This is good for trending sound. When you download the sound from TikTok, from Instagram, and you want to put that sound into your video, and you don't want to start looking for how to convert the video into an audio first before you put the sound, then you can use extraction. You will turn that video into an audio clip with extractor. So let's go back. So the next thing now is voiceover. So let's click on the voiceover. So from my TV here, I can record a new voiceover. I can turn off the air condition, make sure everywhere is quiet, and I can just click and wait for it to read. And I start talking. Hey, I'm testing the mic. I want to record this to do a sample video of what it's like to do. Okay, I haven't started recording. Okay, let's go again. Sample, press it to record. I'm sure we recorded that. Hello, it's your girl Sweet Sandra, and we're doing a voice test to see what the audio looks and sound like. Okay. So this is the voiceover. Okay, the first voiceover I recorded. So you can see on our timeline, you can see the audios down here. So we're gonna go. Let's play the audio.
The new age program being the most expensive has a...
So that's everything in the editing. You can go back to the voiceover, click on the voiceover, and edit the voiceover. I can come here because it's not so loud. I can come here and increase the volume in the video, and it's going to be louder. And we're doing a voice test to see what the audio looks and sounds.